Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crafty Becky Tutorials. Today's video is all about how to make a stunning digital planner in Canva, perfect for using yourself or selling to start earning extra income online. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to whip up a professional-looking planner quickly and easily, even if you're totally new to design tools. So let's jump right in and get creative. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't already, log into your account and from the main dashboard, look for that big Create button usually sitting up at the top right. Go ahead and click that, and in the search bar, start typing out Digital Planner. Canva is really great because they have hundreds of templates already set up for whatever you might be dreaming of, and this shortcut just saves us tons of time hunting for the right size and layout. When you see Digital Planner pop up as an option below, go ahead and select it, and Canva will open up the perfect workspace for what we need. Now here where the real fun begins. At this stage, you'll see a bunch of ready-made planner templates on the left-hand side, and honestly, don't be afraid to explore these. Using a template isn't cheating, it's just working smarter. So take a moment to scroll through and check out some of the styles and layouts. Some might be weekly planners, some daily, some have rainbow themes, others are more minimalist. Think about your audience or yourself and what would be most useful. Maybe you want a planner that helps track habits or helps freelancers organize their weeks. Whatever your goal, there's probably a template that gets you 80% of the way there. Let's pick a template that catches your eye. I'll be picking one for this tutorial, but feel free to choose whatever matches your own style or brand. Once you click your template, it'll load onto your canvas, and now you're in full control. This is where you can get creative and let your personality shine. Click on any text area to update the fonts, swap out the colors to match your favorite palette, and drag and drop new stickers or graphics from Canva's massive library if you want to give it a unique spin. Maybe you want pastel colors or bold shades. Don't be afraid to experiment. Even something as simple as switching up background images or adding motivational quotes can make your planner stand out and feel truly custom. If you're thinking about selling your planner, it really pays to pay attention to little touches, like making sure the dates and sections are easy to read, or that there's enough writing space. A well-organized planner is a joy to use, and your customers will notice the difference. And once you're happy with how everything looks here, how you save your finished masterpiece, go to the upper right corner and click the Share button, and from the drop-down select Download. For digital planners, it's usually best to save as a PDF so that it stays crisp and is compatible with apps like GoodNotes or Notability. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to process, especially if you've packed your planner full of beautiful pages. That just means you've made something awesome. And that's it. You've just created a digital planner in Canva that you can use for your own daily organization or start selling as a digital product on platforms like Etsy or your own website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and let me know down below if you have any questions or want to see more planner designs in future videos. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a Crafty Becky how-to. Thanks for watching and happy designing.